Convert VMware to Hyper-V fast and safe. Here you will find out how to convert VMware VM to Hyper-V. What you need to do at first. When disk internals can help you. 3 ways of converting VMware to Hyper-V. 1. Free GUI application for converting VMware. EXE virtual machines to Hyper-V virtual machines. Microsoft Virtual Machine Converter, MVMC. Using MVMC, you can convert VM to Azure or Hyper-V. 2. PowerShell for converting VMware Workstation and VMware. SXE virtual machines. It can be used when you have virtual disk files, but not all virtual machine files. 3. Paid System Center Virtual Machine Manager. It provides additional functionality and centralized management of Hyper-V and VMware environments. What you need to know before converting VMware to Hyper-V. All optional virtual devices and virtual CD must be removed beforehand. You can re-add them later, but now they can provoke additional failures. Free up extra space by deleting all unnecessary information, including rarely used programs. This action will give you more free time. If you have unnecessary snapshots, be sure to delete them. The likelihood of errors will be significantly reduced. Get rid of VMware tools before online conversion. This will provide a clean way to migrate VMware-based virtual machines to Hyper-V. MVMC takes a snapshot of the converted virtual machine before uninstalling VMware tools. B. Then the source computer is turned on. The computer may be turned on during the conversion. C. Yet the virtual machine is restored to its previous state after the original disks have been successfully copied to the machine where the conversion is in progress. Using the MS converter. First, you need to download the MVMC converter from the Microsoft website and install it using the wizard. Now, open the application and you will notice the Before You Begin section. Read it and click Next. Trust the wizard and follow his recommendations to convert VMware to Hyper-V. If you only have VMware VM virtual disks, or if you have VM for VMware Workstation, the previous method and its GUI cannot be used. In this case, you can simply add the converter module in the directory where Microsoft Virtual Machine Converter is installed to the current PowerShell session. In PowerShell, enter Import Module, Disk C, Program Files, Microsoft Virtual Machine Converter, MVMC cmdlet.psd1. If the converter is installed in a different directory, then change the path accordingly. To do this, copy the virtual disk files from the EXE host data store to the computer with the Microsoft Virtual Machine Converter installed using the VMware vSphere client or any SCP client. Using the VMware vSphere client. Using the vSphere client, log into your vCenter and go to the Storage tab. Here, select the data store, virtual machine directory, and virtual disk to convert. Then click Download and save the zip archive with the VMDK and flat.mdk files on the computer with MVMC installed. If you look in the VMware vSphere client and VMware host client web interface, you will see only one VMDK file. There are actually 2 files in the data store, VMDK and flat VMDK. If VMware VMDK files are lost or deleted. Diskal internals. VMFS recovery software professionally and mostly automatically recovers VMDK files that have been damaged or deleted for any reason. Within a few minutes, the application checks the current state of VMFS data stores, disks, and volumes. Next, all possible files are restored, and the subsequent integrity check of the recovered data is completely free. Purchasing a license agreement and exporting files will be the final step. Good luck!